So there's this phrase that's been stuck in my head that I haven't really been able to translate. The phrase basically means you are a tramp, or something similar to tramp. In Spanish, that is, eres una cualquiera. The reason I'm having trouble with this is because that's derogatory just towards females. So I tried looking up what tramp is in Spanish, and it's vagabundo for males, vagabunda for females. Eres un vagabundo, or eres una vagabunda. And although I have heard this said a lot, the original phrase, eres una cualquiera, is still very commonly used in Spanish. So, with that being said, the Spanish phrase for today's video is, you are a tramp, eres una cualquiera. This is a three-word phrase. Eres una cualquiera, meaning you are a tramp. Again, the phrase is, eres una cualquiera. You're a tramp. If you learned anything today, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.